Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are a blanket hoarder like myself, then you are going to love this blanket ladder.
Emir&Odin has made this gorgeous 5-tier blanket ladder that is so perfect for a million things. I absolutely love the design of it. It is made in such a beautiful antique wood set, and you can actually customize it to have all of the rungs flat, or you can put them in a little crooked and hang these hooks on them and add some extra little touches. It was so simple to put together, and I really love the look of this. I've used it in my bathroom, in my bedroom, and it just really is so beautiful with blankets or towels on it.
I love having a place to display my really sentimental pieces and some of my favorite that are so beautiful. And this blanket ladder is absolutely perfect for that. And you are going to love it too. And that's my point of view.